perfect. Full points in content, pronunciation 83, fluencies 81. Let me show you how to solve summarized group discussion and how to take notes in the next 2 minutes. First, we need to understand some basics. In group discussion, you will get 2 to 3 questions, and these 3 questions will contribute about 17 to 18 marks towards your speaking and listening module. You will get a time of 2 minutes to speak, and I recommend that you need to speak for at least 60 seconds to give a satisfactory answer. Make sure to elaborate your answer using connectors like which, and, so, because. These words will help you to make your answer sound natural. Now, let me show you the template. For group discussion, we can use this structure. First, we'll elaborate everything related to speaker number 1. So for speaker number 1, we'll use these lines. Then everything that speaker 2 has mentioned will speak using these words. And then for speaker number 3, let me show you how to take notes as well. If you notice, I'm using small phrases or some simple keywords like strict rules, silent, talking. Let me show you the actual transcript, and then I'll show you how to take small notes. So this is the transcript of the answer. This is the wording of speaker number 1. And if you notice, he spoke these 2 to 3 lengthy lines. But what I have written is, the library is quiet, peaceful, but talking loudly and laughing. So we need to note down the hints only. The library, quiet, peaceful, then but talking loudly. That's it. This much I have written from this first speaker wording. Now let me show you how to put this thing in the template. So this is our question. Now let's start. The discussion was about library. The first speaker talked about the fact that the library is supposed to be quiet and peaceful place. But here everybody is talking loudly and laughing. He also mentioned that there needs to be a clear division between areas and we need to set up some strict rules. Talking should only be allowed in the computer section, but in the study area, there has to be a complete silence. The second speaker said that, I understand your behavior, but this noisy behavior is very difficult to manage because the library is very large and we have multiple floors. He also talked about the fact that there is not enough staff. Drinks are not allowed in the library because students might spill them and the library will be messy and untidy. The third speaker argued that in the computer area, students are playing sports games, they are live streaming the music. Some of them are using their audios without any headphones. He also spoke about the fact that it's very difficult to concentrate in the library. He questioned in the end that why are drinks allowed? Because drinks can be spilled on tables and chairs. Stop, submit your answer, click to score. The discussion was about library. The first speaker talked about the fact that the library is supposed to be quiet and peaceful place. The discussion was about, okay, perfect. Full points in content, pronunciation 83, fluencies 81. So that's how you need to perform and summarize group discussion.